everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. We're going to do a little variation from Sleeping Beauty. It's going to be Bluebird. It's about a minute long. I'm going to break it up into 2 videos. It's only about a minute, but it'll just be easier to do in 2 videos. I'm going to talk you guys through it. When we do it full out, I'm going to mark, just because I don't want to shake the baby too much. But when we go slow, I'll do it full out. So everything will be on releve when we actually do it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Hope you guys can find some space. It's going to travel more front and back rather than side to side. So really just try to find space. You have some space front to back, or you can do this outside. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start left foot back, tendu right, left arm up, right arm to the side. You're going to hear a little bit of music to start, a little bum, 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 and then it'll start. We're going to do pique, développé, coupe, bourrée. That's with that left leg. Again. So we're simple the pique. Pique, développé left, coupe, bourrée. Again, same thing. Pique left, coupe right, bourrée. Again, right, left, bourrée, right, left, bourrée. So you're going to do it 4 times. And you're step on again. So step right, développé left, coupe, bourrée. Step left, right, coupe, bourrée. Step right, left, coupe, bourrée, right, bourrée. Yeah? We're going to do that 4 times. From there, in close foot position, air plie, passe, 4 times traveling back, starting with the right. Right, left, right, left. Yeah? So let's try it again, putting those 2 together. So you hold bum, 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 bum. You'll go pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée. Plie, passe, right, passe, left, passe, right, passe, left. From there, you're going to bourrée around yourself. Bourrée around. 1, 2, 3, taillé. Repeat the same thing. Pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée. All right, let's just try it out with music really quick. All right, make sure we're still with you. Okay, good. All right, let's try it with music just to hear it. Hold bum, bum, and pique, coupe, bourrée, pique, coupe, bourrée. Passe, 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 bourrée, taillé. Again, out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée. Good. So, as you can see, that's quick, yes? Really want to pick up the pace there. So just think out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée. Yeah, let's try it one more time, and then we're just going to add on the last part, which is instead of passes, it's échappés, and that's where we'll finish. So let's go back to the beginning one more time. All right, onto the right foot. Hold, and in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée, plie, passe, 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 bourrée. And taillé again. Out, in, bourrée, good. Out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée, out, in, bourrée. Good, freeze there. So, like I said, instead of passes the second time, we're going to do échappés. So we're going out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. With our arms, the first one. So you should end up with your right foot in front fifth. You're going to start with your right hand on your shoulder, left arm is extended when you go out. So you're going to échappé 1, échappé 2, switch your arms, échappé 3, So it's just like those passes. So it's gonna be nice and quick. So you just did your last one. Out, in, hooray. Right foot in front. Right hand to shoulder, left arm out. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Yeah? All right, let's go back from the beginning and put it all together. Here we go. Hold, hold, and pique, hooray, pique, hooray, pique, hooray, pique, hooray. Plie, passe, releve, hooray, and back. Last time. Out, in, hooray, out, in, hooray, out, in, hooray, out, in. Extra pace, here we go. Left arm, left arm, right arm. Good. And that's where we will finish with this one, and then tune in for the second one. If you need to go a little bit slower, just go back and review it, and I'll be uploading the other one soon.